Once upon a time, near a small village, there was a dense forest. It was said that a ghost lived in that forest. People were afraid to go into the forest because strange noises could be heard at night. One day, a young man named Ahmed decided that he would find out the truth about this forest. Ahmed was brave and courageous, and he told his friends that they should accompany him. But everyone refused because they were all scared of ghost stories. At night, Ahmed took a lantern and headed towards the forest. As soon as he entered the forest, silence surrounded him. The leaves of the trees were rustling softly, and Ahmed felt like someone was watching him. As he walked, Ahmed reached a tall old tree with strange markings on its trunk. Suddenly, his lantern went out, and darkness enveloped him. Ahmed tried to take out matches from his pocket, but his hands were shaking. At that moment, he saw a faint light coming from behind the tree. Ahmed gathered his courage and stepped towards the light. When he got closer, he saw an old woman standing there, holding a lantern in her hand. The woman smiled and asked, "Why have you come here?" Ahmed narrated the whole story and said that he wanted to know the truth about the ghost. The woman replied, "There is no ghost in this forest. I am the caretaker of this forest. The noises you hear are actually the wind causing the leaves of the trees to rustle." Ahmed felt relieved upon learning the truth. He thanked the woman and headed back towards the village. When he reached the village, he told everyone that there was no ghost in the forest. People believed Ahmed's words, and now they would fearlessly venture into the forest. In this way, Ahmed put an end to an old terrifying story with his bravery and gifted the villagers a new sense of peace and tranquility.